Here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
All right, we are taking a live look in Wrightsville Beach over the Crystal Pier on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. Helen, an absolutely gorgeous weekend.
Visibility is so good that you can actually see in the far distance Carolina Beach. So
That's
down in
incredible.
Pleasure Island, you can see that far from looking south from our Wrightsville Beach camera. Pretty neat.
Yeah, and I think that sums up about the whole weekend. It was very sunny. I know you went out of town, but I was here and got to be on the water a little bit. It was very nice.
Oh, I was in Raleigh, and you saw it across the Carolinas. Plenty of sunshine no matter where you went. Even if you went out to the mountains, you got some sunshine too as well. But yeah, beautiful day across the region here. Cannot complain. 87 degrees was the official high at the Wilmington International Airport. Pretty much on par where we should be for June 11th. Even this morning, not too far off from our average, starting out in the mid-60s as well. Haven't picked up any rainfall the last couple of days. It's been dry around here, and temperatures have been warm, getting close to 90 degrees for our inland spots as you get closer to I-95. Along the beaches, that's where you're seeing those temperatures a little bit cooler. Southport and Calabash checking in at 80 degrees. Here in Wilmington, 83. And Whiteville right now checking in the mid-80s as well. Southerly wind coming in about 5 to upwards of 15 miles per hour, and it's really going to increase as we go into our day tomorrow. But like I said, rain-free skies, just a mixture of sun and clouds out there. So this evening, if you have plans to have dinner on the riverfront or have dinner outside, it is going to be a very pleasant evening out there for any plans. As I advance time through the overnight hours, mainly clear skies. Could see a little bit of patchy fog develop as you head out the door tomorrow morning. In the afternoon, a few clouds as the sea breeze works its way in here, but I don't think we're going to see anything in terms of rainfall. Even on our Tuesday, going to be hard to come by on any types of showers or storms. I think as we get into mid to late portion of the week, that's when we have the better chance of seeing some unsettled weather. For your day tomorrow, we'll start out temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, abundant sunshine throughout the day. That's going to heat those temperatures up very quickly, already mid 80s by noontime, and then eventually soaring into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So another pleasant day, but a hot one. So you want to be at the beach to feel a little relieved. 83 degrees will be our high there, and a low risk for rip currents for east and south facing beaches, and the water temperature nice and comfortable in the upper 70s. Dew points the past few days have been not that bad, but today we started to feel the stickiness come back into play, and I think we'll be in that sticky to oppressive category for the week ahead. Very summer-like around here as we're only 10 days away from the official start to summer. Bermuda high pressure parked offshore. That's going to give us a strong south to southeast flow the next couple of days. I noticed our colors. We're in that dark orange to red, and that just means temperatures are going to be at or above seasonal levels, and it's going to be quite toasty around here with humidity levels very high as well. So get ready. If you like the heat and humidity, you're going to like the week ahead. Fortunately, things in the tropics are quiet. So we look at the Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, and painting across the Atlantic Ocean. The National Hurricane Center down in Miami, Florida, doesn't expect any tropical development over the next 5 days. So good news there as we do see some storms start to return back into the forecast as we go mid to late week. Father's Day, actually have that on the 7-day forecast. Now that's next Sunday. Looks like we might be dealing with a little bit of storm chances on that day, but of course it's Dad's Day, and you know, you can't rain on your parade on that day.
No, but it's going to be hot this week, and technically it's not even summer yet, right?
Yeah, but you know, summertime starts a little early around here, and so it definitely is going to feel like it this week.
When you live at the beach, that's how it is.
No.
All right, thank you, Helen.